Today, I'm just gonna vlog today because I already did a video about my slime. I think I'm just gonna be doing my slime because I can't think of nothing to do. So, I could just play with my slime. And then, when time's up, I have to go on my phone and watch a movie. Guess I'm just gonna be playing with the slime. So, I think we can stay on. I thought about it, so I guess we can just say something like, I meant like, just play with my slime for like a little while, and then the video about to be over. So that about to be over, and then I just turn it off, and then wait till tomorrow. So I go to school tomorrow, and I leave my phone here. Anyways, let's get this started. I'm just kidding. Oh no! Dang it. Oh my goodness. Like, it's so stretchy right now. Oh, oh my goodness. So funny. Alright, anyways. I'm just kidding. I didn't begin. Right. Oh, it's a bubble. Oh my goodness. Oops. That's trash. Oh my goodness. Alright, y'all want to hear it? Okay. Literally, I'm gonna think of something for tomorrow. I'm gonna do something, I don't know. I have to think. Maybe the water challenge or oops, excuse me, sorry. Or a eating challenge, so I don't know, but I don't know. I have to think.